So I think one of the biggest issues right now is that as bankruptcy attorneys, we're always doing battle with the courts and the trustees. The trustees are always trying to push the line, making it harder for debtors. And Borowitz and Clark is always trying to push back to make it better for debtors. And we are in a period of time right now where trustees are trying a lot of things that they didn't used to try to take the assets of the debtor. And so I think that's the biggest thing, is that we have to keep pushing back on what the judges and trustees are trying to do to the bankruptcy system in general. And I wish we could get more attorneys on board in making those fights, but right now a lot of it is done by our firm.
Yeah, and the creditors are also on doing that same thing. I mean, the bankruptcy laws are there was a huge revamp of the bankruptcy law back in 2005, and here we are 18 years later, and there's still a lot of litigation going on about how to interpret those changes and implement those changes. And so, as Barry said, we continue to fight the good fight on that. But I get the sense that the creditors and trustees are getting even more vigilant in their fight to try and chip away at some of the things that protect debtors in bankruptcy. And the ways that we address it is continuing to lobby both locally and nationally for additional legislation to counteract that.